Hello, my YouTube friends. This is your girl Kim Woo coming to you today with my first YouTube video. I've been trying to decide on what I should start talking about on YouTube. Well, something that has happened to me recently. I have been diagnosed with an autoimmune disease. They call it connective tissue disorder, pre-lupus. Um, and I find it, that's something that I can talk about, that I can relate and have more information, and to vlog my daily experiences with this disease. It started, well, about 7 to 8 months ago. I became not very sick, but had like a sick feeling. I didn't look sick, but I was feeling sick, very achy. I thought maybe I had could be like the flu or something. Then I developed diverticulum, which is an out pocket of the urethra, and I thought that could have been contributing factor to my achiness and my tired feeling. So I was prescribed antibiotic. I work for a urologist here in Georgia, so I was prescribed an antibiotic, which is a sulfa antibiotic. Now I realize that people who have connective tissue disease slash autoimmune should not take sulfa antibiotics, but at that time I wasn't diagnosed at that time. So ever since then I've been just feeling sick, very tired, achy, like from head to toe, from my toe all the way to like my shoulders. I mean, aching, every joint possibly I was aching, feeling very tired, lack of energy, wasn't getting any sleep, just feeling, tired. And I began to gain a little weight. I'm like, what is going on? Why am I, gaining some weight? Why I just feel this way? I went to my family doctor. They couldn't find anything. They ordered CT scans, couldn't find anything. Only thing it showed that I had like valve problems in my heart, a little regurgitation with my heart valve, and a little bit of fluid around my heart. Didn't know that all this contributed now to this autoimmune connective tissue disorder. I've been having heart palpitations for maybe like 4 years now. My cardiologist said, they couldn't really find much going on. I just get them here and there. I wore heart monitors. It wasn't picking up anything. Just like, God, what is going on with me? Until recently, I went to a GI doctor, was a gastroenteritis doctor here. Um, Luckily, I used to wear nail polish, but that day I did not wear nail polish. And I went to see her because I was given like I thought maybe it was my pancreas or my kidneys or stomach problem that was going on. So I was telling her, I just started being constipated all of a sudden. And she looked at my fingers, my fingernails. She said, your nails are very pale. Are you anemic? I'm like, no, I'm not anemic. She said, because by me looking at you, I can tell that you have sleep apnea for one, that you feel very tired, you have heart issues. By me looking at you, I really can't tell that. And so she ordered some tests. She ordered like the ANA, which is an autoimmune test to take some any abnormal antibodies. She tests me for that. She tests like some rheumatoid arthritis tests, but the ANA came back positive. I had this same test 3 months prior at my family doctor. It was negative at that time, but now when she did it, say I think like in May, it was positive. She said, well, let me refer you to a rheumatologist. So I went to a rheumatologist. He ordered the same test. He ordered like all the tests imaginable that you can actually have. When I left there, they had drawn like about 12 tubes of blood and a urine test. The tests, I had a lot of tests that come back positive. I had my ANA came back positive again. There's a RNP antibody that came back positive. There's a CH50 that came back positive, and I had protein in my urine. So all that came back positive. And my vitamin D was low. So he put me on vitamin D to take once a week, and he also prescribed this other medication, which is an anti-malaria medication to help with, he said, the autoimmune disease that I'm dealing with. And this days like this, you never know how you're going to feel. Some days I just want to lay in the bed. I just feel like so tired, just feel like blah. And I I'm really not hurting like pain. I have some aches and pains through, achiness throughout the day, but I just had like this sick feeling, just like I just feel like sick, just blah. I just want to lay down, then I get my energy back, then I feel great. Then here I go, it comes back again. So today is one of the days that like I feel horrible. But I'm doing some research. I'm doing a lot of studying on the internet, reading books, trying to find out what can I do to help myself and others to feel better, to get myself back together. Because I am a nurse and I have to be strong, be able to help the patients that I work with. So I'm up and down all day at work, but I'm like forcing myself to do so. But after some things that I'm researching for is like taking vitamin C. I just started taking vitamin C today, see if that'll help. I started taking probiotics, try to get my stomach, everything in line together. And I have my mother's mother died from the complications of lupus when she was 29 years old. So there is some family history of autoimmune. I have two daughters. One is 21 and one is 15. And now they are having some issues as well. My 15-year-old has been seeing a rheumatologist because she has where her fingers get very cold and blue and swell, which is the Raynaud's syndrome. So she's been treated for that. Since I know that I'm dealing with this issue, I'm going to have my other daughter tested as well and have some more tests um, done on my 15-year-old. But I just want to reach out, started my new day as a vlogger here on YouTube to raise awareness for autoimmune, the lupus, pre-lupus, connective tissue disease, whatever they want to call it, whatever you have. But I'm starting my journey today. Today is June the 17th, 2014. Um, just want to see what everyone else has to say. Uh, it's very new to me. Like today, I'm feeling very tired. I don't want to do anything to my hair. I just want to lie down. But I'm going to push through it with a lot of eating healthy, a lot of praying. I'm going to actually start yoga and meditation. I hear that help as well, and just see where it takes me. And I hope that there's others out there that can give me some information, some advice, or some key pointers about this autoimmune thing, and we can work together to put the awareness out there so we can start feeling better, start eating healthy, exercising, just overall feeling better. So we can start doing what we can do. Thank you, and this is your girl again, Kim Woo. I love you all, and I'm the new face to autoimmune. Thank you.